Greetings from Snake Mountain Boatworks on Monday, June 22, 2020. Our 1953 Penn Yan Swift sitting on her fully restored teeny trailer and her fully restored Johnson 18 outboard is about to be tested. Let's give her a shot and see if she barks. There she goes, running nice. Fran Secor, Otego, New York. Otego, New York. Did the restoration. You've seen Fran at Clayton. He wins all the prizes.
Okay.
We'll have some adjusting to do. There's a nice idle. Pumping a lot of water. Nice and quiet, just like Johnsons are known to be. So, this is her bench test. Pretty soon we'll have everything together. We're still waiting on the control cables. These are the shortest we had here. What were these, eight footers?
8 foot.
Yeah, and Fran is on the hunt for a pair of 6 footers so that we don't have that big ugly oop-de-doo that you see rising above the helm station seat back. So, now that she's passed this test, as soon as we get through this incredible heat wave and have the right cables, we'll have her on Lake Champlain. And I know that Anthony is so sorry that Joe and I both feel on the first trip we're probably too big to get in there. So poor Anthony gets to do the first romp on the water as soon as we get the cables and can do it. So that's our update on the 1953 Penn Yan 12-foot Swift. Thank you so much. Bye-bye for now from Snake Mountain Boatworks.